the shopping square here too. This is mom trying to take a picture of us, and it's not really working. Wow, you can really see the Dumo in my eyeglasses right now. Guys, so as you can see, I totally just held pigeons for money, but it's fine. My aftermath, or my arms are all scratched. Look at this. So yeah, so that's what we're up to. We're now walking around. Hey guys, got some gelato again. I haven't had a day without gelato yet, so yeah boy. Hey guys, currently at dinner. I basically died today. Okay.
I'll go grill.
So before we went to church, I had gelato, and I think there was nuts in the waffle cone. I'm not 100% sure, but it made me get allergic reaction, and then I started dying. And then my stomach hurt really bad throughout church, and then I basically died. It was so hot, and then I was dead for a good 2 hours, and now
I'm right here. It's a rat.
We are at a restaurant getting pizza for our last night in Italy. So that's what's happening here. I'll give you guys like a little quick look at this cute restaurant. We're downstairs by ourselves though.
Baby, that's my plan. That's my baby, that's my plan. That's my baby, that's my plan.
So 5 seconds later, and we demolished our food. I don't know where everything went. I'm assuming in our bellies, but oh well. So I'm dumb, and I was saying how my stomach hurt so bad. So then I decided to eat a lot of pizza with a lot of cheese, and I can't really have cheese. I'm not like 100% lactose intolerant, but when I eat cheese I have really bad stomach pain. Now I'm literally walking in a lot of pain to the car, and my stomach feels worse now because I am dumb. But it's okay because it was good pizza and it was slightly worth it. Now we're just walking back to the car. Everyone's pretty dead, but it's last night in Italy, so yeehaw. See you guys later.
We didn't trust Kathryn, so now we're lost.
One near the University of Milan.
Central parking.
Hopefully she puts this on her video, most likely not. Update. Apparently Kathryn says we're not lost. So we're not lost anymore. That's good. If only I had my skateboard, that would be great. Bye for now.
You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand.
Hey guys, so we made it back to our apartment, and I'm going to end the vlog now because tomorrow we're going to be heading towards Zurich, Switzerland. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, then keep seeing for the next.